Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a tips and tricks video again. So a lot of people have been asking me regarding upgrading their hard drives on the laptop, but the questions that I get is, should I buy a SSD hard drive or a regular hard drive? Now there is a third kind of hard drive which people are not talking about. So in this video we'll be talking about all three of them. I will be showing you the third kind of hard drive, which is known as a hybrid hard drive, and then we'll be talking about which one should you buy for your laptop. Let's take a closer look at both the hard drives now. Now this is your regular hard drive. Now a regular hard drive would just say like 500 GB or 1 TB or whatever, and it'll show the capacity on it. That's it. So it doesn't have anything else, anything extra. Now your hybrid one will actually have two capacity mentioned. Now over here you see it says 8455 MB and 750 GB. So this 8455 MB, that's 8 GB, is my SSD hard drive, and your 750 GB is my regular hard drive. So that's how these hard drives are made. Now if you look at them, they all look similar. There's nothing extra that you can see. The chips are actually inside. Once you open up the screws, then you can see that. So that's how these kind of hard drives are. Now they fit any conventional laptop. All the laptops that I've tried, all of them work good with this. They don't have any compatibility issues, and I don't get any blue screen and stuff. So it's going to be good for any kind of laptop. I've actually used it on Celeron PCs also, so that's actually very old. I don't think you'll have anything that old, but it'll still work on that too. So let's go ahead and discuss about this now. Okay, so you've seen both the hard drives, the hybrid and the regular one. Now let's talk about which one should you buy. Now regular hard drive is cheaper and has more storage capacity. Now if you compare it with the SSD hard drive, like if 1 TB is for 3000 Indian rupees, then 1 TB SSD hard drive will be nothing less than 12,000. So it's almost 4 times the price. But if you go for a hybrid hard drive, it'll be like somewhere around 5,000 ish. It's not as expensive as a SSD hard drive, and it's not too much on your pocket. Now why would you want to buy a hybrid hard drive? Now hybrid hard drive is basically a little bit of memory chips, little bit of SSD mixed with your regular hard drive. So there are platters, you have your regular hard drive, and then the board actually has chips on it. Now the capacity won't be that much. The capacity will be somewhere between starting from 4 GB, 8 GB, 12 GB, so that much. Now why is it that small? Because that's mainly intended for your operating system files and for the files that need to be used more often. So if you know about this defragment which used to be there, in that basically what it used to do is it used to take all the files which are important for running or which are generally used most of the time, take that and put it in the front part of your hard drive. So similarly, now all the things that are used most of the time is taken and put onto the SSD partition, and the things which are not used that much or the things that are not needed on SSD hard drive is put on your regular hard drive, regular partition. Now that with that thing you will get SSD speed and you will get capacity of a regular hard drive. So both you get good of both the worlds. But having said that, the hybrid ones are not going to be as fast as a regular SSD hard drive. If you want speed, there's nothing better than SSD. But if you're on a budget and you want a lot of space and you want speed also, then you can go for hybrid hard drives. So that's it. That's what I wanted to tell you in this tips and tricks videos. If you want to know more about it, do comment and I will reply back to that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.